Okay, here we have another Chinese lock. It's called U.S.A. Top Security Locks. U.S.A. trademark. Don't really believe in that, but it's a brand new lock. Works perfectly. Gap here is not big enough to shim it, but the bitting is very simple. As you can see, it's very basic. If I can get the camera to cooperate. No. Yes, I can see. No side pins at all. So I'm just gonna go with Goso. Normal, just a rake. See what happens. Medium size tension wrench. Bottom of the keyway. So let's see. Oh, that was easy. Yeah. So there we have it. U.S.A. Top Security Locks U.S.A. trademark. Made in China. 100% sure. But works perfectly. Brand new. Looks pretty nice.